Morning guys, I'm Stuart and this is the Bin Cleaner Pressure Washing Services, episode 25. How are you on this fine, miserable Monday morning? Oh, it's horrible. We have got a driveway to do today. I think it's flagged. You know, I've done this one. I haven't done this one. I don't know what I'm saying. I've priced this one up by not even looking at it. I've just had some photos sent. Not very good photos either. So I'm just like, yeah, I'll do it. So I need to have a look at this one, because I don't know what it's going to look like, so I can't even let you know how it's going to be. I can't even let you know how it's going to be. Anyway, less waffle, let's get gone. See you in a bit. Right, we're here. Have a quick look at this one. Not too bad at all. It's quite new actually. Let's have a look. Here we go. I'm going off where they moved the car. It's not that bad. Bit green near the house, and we've got some render. It's going a bit green, so we'll get some magic sauce on that. Get rid of that. Well, you know what we say. Let's get stuck in. See you in a bit.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way.
that's the edges cut in. Rinse down time. Right, that's the edges cut in, rinse down. Now you might think, doesn't look any different. Watch this. See? Even though to start off with, it doesn't look that bad. See what a difference it makes. Not done the middle yet, that's where the flat surface cleaner's coming in now. Look. Surprising what a difference it makes. Right, let's get that flat surface cleaner on the job, eh? They broke my neck then. No rest for the wicked. Come on, crack on. Not a bad line. Just get down there done and then we can put them bins back. Final rinse down. That's the main job done. You can hear me. That's the main job done. Let's see if we can get this green off this wall and clean your lens a bit, I think. Your face is mucky. Where? There you go, pumpkin. Well, that seems to have done its magic, hasn't it? Pretty quick, that. So while this is doing, fruit time. So, how you doing? Yep, Monday. It's a gloomy one today. Actually, it's picking up a bit. But somebody just said to me, I bet you're freezing doing that, aren't you? Got a dab on. A dab on. That means sweating a bit. Anyway, magic sauce is doing its stuff. I've got my trusty Sommereth flask. In my thermos flask. Said I've mentioned it before in previous videos. Keeps your drink warm for about a year. Cracking. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, not much to tell you. Did you start watching I'm a Celeb last night? My missus has. I don't know whether to bother or not. I think Joy Boy Tuesday. I think Boy George is going to be a card. I know what he's like. Mustard. What was it he said last night? It made me laugh. I'm bored of sitting in the corner being iconic. Classic, that. Love it. Yeah, so if you're watching it, let me know in the comments below. I haven't seen it yet, so I've got to catch up. But let me know in the comments below. Tell me what you think of it so far. Rubbish. Look at my hair. Saying to the missus last night, I used to have it cut short like a skinhead, you know, number 1 all over or number 0.5 all over. And I decided to start growing it. Have it shaved on the sides and stuff. But my barber, there's 2 of them in the shop. One of them's going off sick for a bit. So the other one's snowed under and it's appointment only. I can't, I've got one in between now and that's it forever until you get some appointments. So I'm tempted to get the clippers back out again. What do you reckon? Because it's like, my head's growing through the top of it. Anyway, so I don't know. I like it short, you know, on the sides and stuff. A style, not just a skinhead. Everyone thinks you're a thug when you got a skinhead. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Winter's coming, so I might just grow it. Hey Dave, D&J Projects, shout out to you there. Apples, bananas. Not the only one who's on a diet, pal. I'm on 2 diets, one don't fill me up. Doing alright though, lost 8.5 pounds in about 4 weeks, so I'm happy with that. Keep it off, keep it steady. Long way to go though. If you don't know who D&J, start again. If you don't know who D&J Projects are, I'll put a link to the YouTube channel up there. They are a fencing and landscaping company based in Nottingham, but they're a good laugh. Yeah, I like watching them. I've mentioned them before. Yeah, they're good fun. So, and good at what they do as well. Very good. So, big family-run business. Quite impressive, actually. They've got names for the vans as well, which is quite fun. Big Red, Mighty White, Sick Note, Little Red. Cool. You gotta have a laugh when you're at work, ain't you? Otherwise, you end up cracking up. Yeah. So, yeah, when you watch this, up there, oh, it was there a second ago. Up there, I'll put it there again. Up there will be a link to their channel. Pop over, give them a watch, give them a like, give them a subscribe if you like it. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. And speaking of appreciate it, I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel so far. It's not easy when you're working on your own. It's finding stuff to talk about. Yeah, so 750, is it? Something like that. So I want to get up to 1,000, as you probably know if you've seen the videos before. If you've not seen the videos before, go and have a look. If you like them, please subscribe. It means the world to me. I'm doing it for fun, but it's quite, like I say, it's difficult. So I need something to aim for, and that 1,000 subscribers is a target now, and I'm getting there. So some days you lose one, some days you pick up 2. Yeah, it's fun. I get home from work, I'm like, I wonder if I've got any more, I wonder if I've got any more. So please, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Yeah, it means the world to me. Cheers, guys. Anyway, I think we've had enough time. My windows are steaming up in the van. Let's go and get this rinsed off. See you in a bit. I'm filthy again. Never have a clean van, me. packed up. All finished, guys. Job's a good one. Yeah, it looks belting. Even if, oh, sorry, a bit close. Even if I do say so myself. Let's have a look. Yeah, you might not think it looks much different. Much different. You might not think it looks much different. But it does. A creepy crawly halfway up my wall. Hey, little creepy crawly. Anyway, that's not staining on the drive, that's a reflection of the fence. Speaking of staining, that green mark, all gone. Nice and clean again. I haven't done those fence panels there, you know, the what do you call them, baseboards there, and concrete posts and whatnot, because I don't know if they wanted them doing. They never said, they just said driveway. So, driveway as it was. Anyway, guys, that's another day from the bin cleaner pressure washing services. If you like what you're seeing, although albeit a short one, press that like button down there. And if you want to see some more of our videos, press that subscribe button down there. Getting close again. I've got short arms. Everyone keeps calling me T-Rex. I got short thumbs as well. Oh, tiny thumbs. Anyway, waffling. Yeah, if you like what you've seen, give us a like, thumbs up if you've got any. Ooh. Like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Cheers. See you in the next one. Doodles.